have our own strength on the basis of which we will be able to contest. And I can assure you that we are going to be working with more seriousness than we have done ever in the past. In the past, unfortunately, because Congress used to give us very few seats to contest, that's why our party could not grow in other areas. But now we are going to make sure that our presence is there across both north and south. He has said 20 or any number is not important. The real issue is we are going to prepare ourselves to fight on our own also, if need be. But if, as I said earlier in my speech, if a proper secular alternative to BJP has to be created in Goa, then all parties will have to be broad-minded, open-minded if they want to take on the BJP.
What is your demand?
We are not discussing anything today. We are concentrating, our focus, as you saw, is on our building our party. We have started the office, which would have started this work much earlier. But now, full seriousness, as I said, every month I will be in Goa. One senior minister from NCP from Maharashtra will be coming to Goa every month. There will be regular programs, not only in our few constituencies where we have been contesting in the past, but across from North Goa to South Goa, we will be covering all the constituencies. See, I don't want to talk about other parties, except all I want to say is that these results of Bihar and other states are demonstrating very clearly that Congress and other parties must be broad-minded and understand the ground reality and take others along also.
Don't take them for granted.
Yeah, if you take others for granted, then this will happen. This problem of division of votes and not finding a proper alternative is always going to bother. My question is, why Congress, when they had 17 MLAs and 3 Goa forward, I remember because Vijay Sardesai was sitting in my house, he was ready to support. And we were giving our 1 MLA. We had 21 MLAs, the government in Goa of the Congress-led would have been formed. It is surprising to me that the Congress let go of such a golden opportunity, form the government, and then today after 17 MLAs, only 5 MLAs remain of the Congress. It is not for me, it is for them to introspect what is going wrong. MLAs and many leaders of parties have been in touch with me in the last few weeks, and I can tell you that we are very, very sure that even if it comes to fighting our elections alone, we will have very good candidates, including some good sitting MLAs. In the past, I told you, NCP used to contest very limited number of seats in association with the Congress. That is why we never focused beyond our traditional seats, and we never built our party across Goa. But now, because last time, the way Congress, even tomorrow if the Congress doesn't do an alliance with us, we cannot force anybody. We should be ready to fight our own elections. So, nobody should blame NCP for the breaking of the alliance. If they had contested with NCP in alliance, I am sure he would have also won. Churchill of course won, and we would have collectively crossed the 21 number.
Today in your speech, time and again you have mentioned Vijay Sardesai as a good friend, it seems. Like, so Vijay Sardesai will be also with you all in alliance?
I have no problem if we all like-minded people, if we come together. He has met me many times, I am also knowing him well. And there is no harm if all like-minded people come together against the BJP. If the thought process is clear, we are ready.